Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the fastest methods to unlock the monstrous 3000 horsepower Nissan GT-R Black Edition, Forza Edition, in Forza Horizon 6. This specific car is heavily sought after right now because it is arguably the best drag racing and PR stunt vehicle in the entire game, easily hitting top speeds over 300 miles per hour. First, the absolute most reliable way to hunt down this legendary machine is by farming super wheel spins and standard wheel spins. You can acquire these rapidly by leveling up your overall driver rank through race events, or by banking massive skill chains to unlock cheap super wheel spin nodes directly inside your other car's mastery trees. Alternatively, if you don't want to rely on random prize luck, you can head straight over to the live auction house menu to look for players listing it. Because this drag monster is a permanent base game drop and not a time-limited playlist exclusive, many lucky players who pull duplicates are constantly posting them for auction, though you will need to act fast to win the buyout bidding war. Additionally, keep a close eye on your message center system inbox, as generous community members have already started gifting their extra duplicate GT-R models directly to random players through the Barn Find gift drop network. Subscribe the channel for more videos.